Tailgates, fall festivals, and soon even holiday gatherings are giving us all ample opportunity to celebrate with food and drink. SSM Health family medicine physician and wellness coach Dr. Roopa Shah joins me this morning to offer advice on how to balance seasonal merriment while being mindful of what we're eating and drinking. This is such a good topic this time of year. So when heading out to a tailgate, a game, or a celebration at someone else's home or a local restaurant, what are some tips that you have to help people manage the temptation to overindulge? Really easy around the holidays.
Yeah. So one thing that I do, and actually do this myself too, is really, kind of think about what the host may be offering. Focus on the foods that you might want to choose when you get to their home. Are you going to focus more on snacks or the main item, drinks, not to overindulge in everything, especially not just the dessert bar. The other thing a lot of folks do is they'll kind of, quote unquote, starve themselves right before the event so they can eat more when they get there. But when you do that, your inhibition is, less, and so you're more apt to kind of overindulge when you get somewhere. So it's a good idea to have a small snack, something high in protein, before you go, so you can control your appetite a little bit more and then focus on the foods that you had in mind.
Moderation,
Moderation,
right?
Yes, yes.
Now, if you are the host, are there ideas to consider to keep the offerings fun, but also still pretty healthy?
Yeah, so I think if you're hosting, really to make sure there's a wide variety of foods, focusing on, of course, fresh fruits, having some vegetable trays, things that people will have as a healthy option as well.
Right.
Instead of everything that's fried, having some baked options, or, right now air frying is really big too, so maybe using that as an option. Yeah. And then, of course, too, there's, there may be alcoholic beverages, but also to have some non-alcoholic beverages for people that don't want to have as many of those, or who don't drink
exactly.
as well. So
got to have a little bit of everything for everyone.
A little balance.
Now, fall and winter often have people reaching for those comfort foods for a variety of reasons. How can we reframe our mindset around food and beverage to keep our healthy habits on track?
Yeah, this is the time of year that we want those warm, high carbohydrate comfort foods. But again, it just goes back to balance, making sure that you're getting fresh fruits, vegetables, foods that are high in fiber too, and not just high carbohydrates and especially just refined carbs. So it goes back to that balance again.
Have what you want to enjoy, but not all the time. All right, thank you, Dr. Shah. Where else can people find you?
So they can find me on Instagram at Wellness with Dr. Shah.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.